question, we are given that the length, width and height of a rectangular box are L, W and H centimeters respectively. So let's write down all the information that we have from the question as we read it. So length is equal to L centimeter, the width is equal to W centimeters and the height is equal to H centimeters. We are also given that the volume of this box is equal to V cubic centimeters. Now cubic centimeter basically means that centimeter cube. So volume is equal to V centimeter cube. And the total area of the 6 sides of the box, that is the total surface area, is equal to A centimeter squared. We have to find the value of V by A. Now V by A can also be written as L times W times H divided by 2 times LH plus 2 times LW plus 2 times HW. So to be able to find the value of V by A, we need to know the values of L, W and H. Now let's move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. The statement 1 tells us that at least 2 of L, W and H are equal to 5. Now without any loss of generality, let's assume that L and W are equal to 5. So L is equal to 5 centimeter, W is equal to 5 centimeter and H, let's assume H to be X centimeter. Then V by A will be equal to 5 times 5 times X divided by 2 times 5 times X plus 2 times 5 times 5 plus 2 times 5 times X. This is equal to 25X divided by 10X plus 50 plus 10X, which equals 25 by 50 plus 20X. Now if we take 5 common from the denominator, we have 25 by 5 times 10 plus 4x. Now 5 cancels 25 5 times and we are left with 5 by 10 plus 4x. Now we can get multiple values of V by A if we substitute different values of x. So it is not possible to get unique value of V by A. Hence statement 1 is not sufficient. And out of the given options, we eliminate options A and D. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. According to statement 2, L is equal to W, which is equal to H. Thus, let's assume L, W and H to be equal to A centimeter. Then V by A will be equal to A cube by 6A square. This gives us A by 6. Now again, after substituting multiple values of A, we will get different values of V by A. So statement 2 is also not sufficient. And we move on to the last step, which is step 3, and analyze both the statements together. Now let's write down the information that we have from statement 1 and statement 2 first. So statement 1 tells us that L is equal to 5 centimeter, W is equal to 5 centimeter and H is equal to X centimeter. You can also take L to be equal to 5, W to be equal to X and H to be equal to 5, or L to be equal to X, W to be 5 and H to be 5. This would all yield the same result. Now the statement 2 tells us that length is equal to the width, which is equal to height. If we combine both the statements together, then we get that L is equal to 5, W is equal to 5 and H is also equal to 5. So V by A will be equal to 5 by 6. So it is possible to answer the question when we combine both the statements together. Hence the correct answer is option C.